Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. And this could be the best value in any minivan out there. Let me tell you why. Well, to start with, you got the SXT package, which is one of the best, because if you're going to drive a minivan, why not look good doing it? You have the red accents in the grille there beside the Dodge. Looks great on that darker color. You have your fog lights, of course your premium alloy wheels. This one is going to give you both remotes, as you can see, and it's going to give you you can do about anything you need with that remote, including open both doors there. Now inside here you're going to have your captain's seats, which is my preference because it gives you a little separation there and easy pass through to the back. This seat will actually flip down, stow and go, lays right into the floor there, which is awesome. If you're not using the stow and go, you have a ton of additional storage underneath the floor there. Absolutely phenomenal feature. Back here you're going to have your power lift gate. Just a push of a button and it lifts right up. Of course, back here you're going to have that deep well, which is really nice. You have additional storage there on the side. One thing I absolutely love, you have those little hooks there. They are grocery bag hooks. So you go to the grocery store, you just hang your bags right there. Don't have to worry about them sliding around and all that space there. The seats will fold down into the back and lay flush. I have a full pictorial of the seat configuration at citymotors.net. Make sure you check that out. And again, this one, you have the push button here. Simply push that. It'll shut that door. And again, very clean. Whoever had it definitely took care of it. You do have your armrest on each captain's seat there. Very comfortable on long trips. Plenty of room back here. Again, up here, you have those hooks again, which I really like. You have all of your power options. This one is going to have your fog lamps. It does have your duplicate audio controls, and you can control those off of the back. You have your phone set up right there, streaming to your premium audio, cruise control, of course, tri-climate control, driver, passenger, and rear. The rear passengers can actually control that. If you allow them to do that, you can block that out and control it all from up here. You have an oversized center console with plenty of storage all over the place there. You do have your controls to all of your doors right there. Here you have sunglasses, or you have a mirror there, which is great. You don't have to take your eyes off of the road to talk to your passengers. Really good feature there. And again, what a value. Great miles on this thing. Great equipment. Looks good. Very, very sharp looking vehicle. You're not going to find a nicer van. I can tell you this is the one, especially for under $13,000. And at City Motors we have a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty that is coast to coast with roadside assistance. And we have no processing fees. Big deal there. Processing fees are taking a huge spike. They're tricking you by lower prices and then hitting you with huge fees by the time you get ready to get out of there. Don't get hung up in those fees. No fees here. Ask the dealer up front, what are your fees? Make them tell you. If they lie to you, what are they going to lie about next? Don't deal with those fees. Call us at 540-433-7335. You can also text us 24/7 at that same number. Do not miss this one, guys. Get here soon. Hope to see you. Thanks for stopping by.